Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will unbox my orders from Amazon. Let's see what's inside, guys. Let's open this one. Whoa. Inside. Oh, it's my belt bag for the money and some documents, important documents when you go around. Okay, like this one. Put in here. And adjust. We'll open the other box. Look. It's nice. See? There is this USB. Okay, the tag. No. How to use this one? Please. It's an electric fan, handy electric fan. Oh, nice. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Now I have the electric fan because here is very hot. It's summer here in Italy. When I walking out or in the sun, I can use this one.